Another sensational day in Adelaide. 35 degrees, 41 degrees tomorrow. Let's get to work. I nearly forgot to say thank you, Nat, for helping me out moving all the stuff in the garage. My brother sat on once again. He couldn't help, so it was Dad. Legend. Finally, the walls are done. I've scraped off as much of the old paint and render as possible, so now we'll be able to decalcify all this wet damaged wall. What I've got in mind is that there is loose concrete here on the edges. That's pretty loose, you can see it's sort of vibrating there. So all this old loose concrete on the floor will have to get taken off. This part definitely that's pretty loose, so that will have to come off as well. And then this part here is all loose as well. What I will be doing is I will mark a straight line here with texture or something, and then cut all this off with a grinder, pick all this off, do the same thing here. Obviously I'm going to be using the grinder here, so dust is going to go absolutely everywhere, so I don't want to be doing any cleaning up or painting up as of yet. Once all the old concrete gets ripped up, we'll have to get self-leveling concrete, sort of patch this area up and everywhere else. Obviously along the walls here, all along there, and this side here looks pretty decent. Cleaned up the old cracked concrete here, and I've got a nice surprise. This is cracked and it sounds pretty hollow as well, so I have to get the jackhammer out and probably rip this entire section out of here. Lovely. While I'm at it, one very important thing to note when you're using a jackhammer is to get grease either supplied or any other grease that you've got around the place, and you need to grease up these grooves here. This allows the jackhammer to properly function. If you do not do this every 2-3 hours, you will break the machine. Beautifully completed, thanks to the help of my brother. Now let's get started on the other side. Rubbish bins are full, so I've got a bit of a concrete dump happening in the garage, which is extraordinarily appealing. Finally, all done, ladies and gentlemen. What a workout that was. Are you ready for part 3?